Hello guys, I'm Halim Quaz. To tell you in this tutorials how to recover or reset your Gmail password when you have forgot your Gmail password. Now you don't have the recovery email and recovery phone number. However, how do you reset if you know your particular Gmail ID? This tutorial may be also very beneficial when someone who has hijacked your Gmail password, hacked your Gmail password, stolen your Gmail password. Unfortunately, you have lost your device. Such as this idea has been recommended by one viewer who has lost his device. Now, we would like to recover it quickly. He was unable to reset because of he doesn't have the recovery email and the recovery phone number. So let's approach via alternative way to recover it. How it is possible? This can be possible by providing sufficient information to other Googles. How it is? We don't know password, so just we will click on a forget password. Now we don't have a phone number, so just we will click here, don't have phone. Now it's essential that I did not provide enough information for the Google to show that this account is really yours. But Google asks for this info to keep secure your account. So here to recover, try again each questions shows. If your account is managed with family links, we have sent an email to your parents to change your password. By two options, we will quit. We will go with alternative options. Here, if we do multiple times, then Google will contact you by different email. You will have to submit email with proof identity. On the basis of Google will recognize to justify that this is your account or not. If it is, then of course you will have the strong opportunity to create or reset once again your Gmail password, but after 48 hours. We cannot wait such a long time because it's a data privacy concern, so just we will go for here by alternative way. Coming on here, Play Store, right here, Opera browser with AI, artificial intelligence with virtual private networks. Now we have two changes that we will have to hold it. Just we will tap on this. These all are crucial and essential step. Just we will make disable notification, come the permission, and of course we will tap on a location, make the precise location of, click on here, don't allow anyway. Now we will back and set as a default, tap on it 4-5 times, make it the clear, then of course we will cut it from here. One more browser that's also product of Google, just hold it and we will tap on it and just we will tap on a notification, make it off, it's already blocked, and similar way we will have to come to permission. Let's tap on a location, make the precise location of, click on a here, don't allow it. Take any smartphones. All the steps we will have to follow. All the instructions also. We will come to defaults. We will select this and we will cut it from here. Now what we will do guys here, simply just we will come in a Opera browser. Now that I had installed. Now it's opening. Just we will go for next here. We'll go for allow. So now it's loading. Just we will have to wait here. Just pick this one. Just tap on a here, sign in. Tap on this. Particular ID. So this was ID. And of course we will go for here. Next. Asking a password here. We don't have a password. Just we will click here. Forgot password. Now it's asking phone number. Just we will go for her. Don't have more tips to recover these accounts. Means surely this account can be recovered. But we have a if the possible when the sign in answer is question as answer as many question as you can. Use a device where you have the sign in before, and third one manage with the family links option accounts. Fourth one we will approach, but don't click on here because this account will be a freeze. Why so? Because I'm trying to recover this Gmail ID particulars via different browser. So tap on a setting. Now Google itself will recover. Just we will come on a Google service, this ones, and we will have to type on here. We'll come in a pick these options. Now here we will go for conscience in this account. Now we will pick the fourth one options. Now here we will go for secure this account. Now we will come on here, review your account activities. Now here we will come these change to recover these accounts. Now here we can see guys here. Now we have a one more only once recovery page. So just we will tap on it. Now we are on this page. Here we will have to pick this ID. And upon here, just simply we will have to tap on a next. Now see guys here, directly would be here. Now don't click on a continue, just we will have to pick this, change the password, otherwise you will trap in its verify your option. So just we will go for tap on here, change the password. Now here we have the strong opportunity to create the strong password, confirms a new password, and upon of course we will go for here. Tap on this, we will go in a security center, add the recovery email and the recovery phone number, and this ID will be permanently fixed. These kind of incident won't be happening again, so guys. So this is all about in this video tutorial. Furthermore, any inquiry, of course, the query below the comment box. Pleasure will be mine to reply your query. So thank you very much indeed. Have a great time, guys. Bye bye.